All right, one of the benefits of burning the car down is since we took out the entire dash, we get to mount the steering column where we want it. So now, as you can see from about the middle of the car here, we can angle that steering wheel towards the bench seat, which is obviously small. So we can actually push the steering angle inwards to where you're sitting a little more comfortably, so it's not like left-hand dominance. All right, first thing on the list is mounting the steering column since we have the floating mount. But where these brackets will live, if I can make room in my shop, where these brackets will live is right here. So I've already cut an initial bracket to hold the lower mount, SRT4 obviously, because why not? And these brackets will go right here, and then I'll make a bend right about here that bolts them to the poly bushings. That way it's still full poly bushinged, and that's what we're gonna do. So let's sand these off, bend them, and get them bolted in. All right, we've got them sanded. Yeah, before you say anything, I know I bent this one a little bit lower and this one a little bit higher. It'll be all right. We'll just weld them differently. So let's weld these in, get the steering column mounted, take that off the list. All right, so we've got it mounted in place with the complete lower mount right there. As you can see, that's how the bends turned out. And you can see the adjustability that I want it to get the angles in place. So we're maxed out on the far driver side, and then passenger side we're pulled a little closer to get that angle pointed towards the driver. It's still not as solid as I want, so I am going to end up running a tube to this front bar, to the A-pillar bar. So let's do that next. All right, just like that, we're done. We've got the top bar welded in. Yeah, here's how everything looks from all angles. Got the SRT4 plate adjustability, and then we still kept the manual adjustment. It's pointed more at the driver, and I'll just go ahead and show you where it's pointed exactly. The tube and the steering is pointed right at the driver, so it's better overall.